Welcome to session 4, Error Handling in RxJava. In this session, we are going to take a look at how to handle exceptions in RxJava, how to continue our streams after an error occurs, and what to do when nothing happens, empty stream. So let's start with the video 4.1, Exceptions in RxJava. In this video, we are going to take a look at exceptions in Java in general, and the error handle mechanisms in RxJava. Okay, so as you may know, in Java, when we throw a check exception, we use what is called a try-catch block, so we can handle the exception explicitly on the code. RxJava allows to do this, but it has an extra mechanism to declare explicitly what to do in case we encounter an error on our stream. This mechanism is triggered by the consumer function onError. So this is the interface that is used when you subscribe to an observable. So we have three values. We have onNet, we have onComplete, and we have onError. Three functions. So as far as we have done in the course, we have used always the onNet. That basically is we provide a function to perform every time a value is received on the subscriber. In this case, we have used print a line, right, to print the value and then put a new line. That's what we have used in all previous exercises, right, when we print the names and we put a new line. Now, the subscriber interface provides us with two extra functions. onComplete, that is triggered once the stream is finalized, and onError with a parameter of type trouble t. onComplete is pretty straightforward. It is triggered once the stream completes, so we can put any function, like let's say we can put a print line saying the stream is complete. I can show you this later, and it's gonna be triggered just once the stream ends. And onError is triggered once the stream emits an error, happens an error and it's not handled, and it's delivered down the stream. So basically, this is the mechanisms that we can use in RxJava to explicitly handle errors and consume them. So as I said before, RxJava emits errors using the onError function from the subscriber interface. So what we can do in case of an error? Okay, we can do several things. First, we can swallow the error and switch over to a backup observable to continue the sequence. We can swallow the error and emit a default item. We can swallow the error and immediately try to restart the failed observable, and we can swallow the error and try to restart the failed observable after some backup interval. All these details are on the wiki page from RxJava.